Hi everyone, welcome to passcmfas.online. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps for you to take quizzes on our website. From the home page, you can choose the product you want to buy or you have bought. Either going to the link here or scrolling down and using this section can take you to the quiz. Let's try this link. If you have never taken the quiz on a particular module, you'll have only one button here, which says Take Quiz. Click Take Quiz. Then you get a pop-up window that lets you choose preferences of the quiz you are going to take. On the first row, you can choose either you want to show all the questions in one quiz, or you want to show only a specific number of questions. Say, if you want to make a mock test to check your understanding after your revision, and in the actual CMFAS Module 5 exam, you'll be given 100 questions. You can draw only 100 questions randomly from the question bank. Then you can choose which chapter or chapters you want to look at. Say, if you're more unconfident in chapters 9 and 12, you can choose to draw questions from chapters 9 and 12 only. After that, you can choose to draw questions randomly, or to draw only bookmarked questions, questions you have not seen before, and/or questions you have answered wrong. Click Start Quiz here to commands. You can see here on top there is a question number bubble section. You can jump to a certain question using the bubbles here. If you have answered the question correctly, the bubble will turn green. If you have answered the questions incorrectly, the bubble will turn red. This is the progress bar. It briefly shows you how far you have gone in this quiz. Since I'm on the third question out of 100 questions, I'm way far from finishing the quiz. Here we can see which chapter the question is from. Then there goes the question. You can choose one answer. If you need some help in answering the question, click the Hint button. It will show you where you can locate the relevant concepts in the official study text. If you find the question challenging, interesting, or unfamiliar to you, you can bookmark the question by clicking on this button. By doing so, you can always create another quiz attempt and include that question again. You can remove the bookmark using the same button. Once you've made your choice, you can click Check Answer here. It will show you whether you have answered correctly, and also a detailed explanation of why the correct answer is the best answer. If you have answered a question incorrectly, it will also show you which one is the correct answer. You can also skip a question if you do not want to answer the question. You can still go back to the skipped question anytime before you submit the quiz. After answering the last question, you will have a button here that says Show Results. Click on it, then you will be able to see your scores, time spent, and all the questions appeared in this quiz. If you have an active Pro membership, for example, you have bought the M5 question bank, you not only will have unlimited access to the entire M5 question bank, but you can also enjoy other Pro features, such as being able to save the progress in the middle of a quiz. But please make sure that you have logged into your account if you want to save or retrieve your progress. If you sometimes make a long quiz but need a break or need to go, you can simply click the cross button here that says Save and Close. The next time you want to resume the quiz, you can go back to the product page here and click the hyperlink here that states Take quiz or view free trial now, or scroll down and click the Continue quiz button below. Or alternatively, you can go to Account, Saved Quizzes, continue with your most recent attempt. Your progress will then be restored.